Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the One Touch Mini, which is from Alcatel, and the model number, as you can see here, is OT708. Right, it's a really nice phone. It's not bad when it comes to price, and it's got some nice features as well, because it's just about 20 quid if you buy it in most shops out there. And it comes with Virgin Mobile. The SIM card is inside the box, and I'll go through that with you in a short while. This is the £10 top up for Virgin Mobile if you're using Virgin Mobile. So I'll just go straight to the unboxing of this phone. Just bought it yesterday, so just right. Once you open the box, the first thing you see is the Virgin Mobile SIM card and the pack. Then some information about the phone, how to use the touch panel operation. Next, the manual of the phone. Goes with the manual, and the phone itself, as you can see, still in the pack, nylon. That's the phone. See, it's portable, it's light, it's fully touchscreen, and it's got 1.3 megapixel of camera on there. So with that, you can take pictures and you can record videos as well. Let's see what else is in the box. Right, we've got the power charger as well in the box. We've got the headphones, the normal standard headphones, using the USB, micro USB port to connect to it, and the micro USB port is just right at the bottom of the screen. And of course, the battery. So that's what we have. The unboxing of Alcatel OT708. It's perfect, it's cool, it's portable, and it's also cheap. I can honestly say it's one of the cheapest touchscreen around at the moment. And right in August, it's about £20. That's the inside of the phone. That's the SIM card slot, and that little hole right there, that's the SD card, the micro SD card slot is in there. Right. So on the sides we've got the power button and the lock screen is on the side here. And the other side we've got the up and down volume control, and that's just about it, except for the fact that there is a small stylus at the bottom, which can be used, or you can use your fingers as well to use the phone for operation. And that goes back in. Right, to power the phone, you can get this phone virtually almost any shop that are selling hand phones. That's just a short review, short demonstration of the phone. And on the bottom here, I forgot to mention that on the bottom right here there is the navigation buttons, which is obviously a touch sensitive buttons. So that here is for selecting, and if you want to like go to next slide or scroll to the next page, you can just swipe it to the left and swipe it to the right to find out about that. In a wrap up, I think it's a really nice phone. It's a fully touchscreen, and it's very good phone to start up as a touchscreen. And if you have never used a touchscreen phone before, this will be a very good start as a touchscreen phone. So thank you for listening. You can give me a comment if you want, and see you soon. Thank you. Bye.